Alright, so this is the Challenger RT. I'm not going to be doing the rear brakes. Cover right there on the driver's side. Opens up your reservoir. .22mm lug nuts. And take your tire off now. Alright, so once you remove your tire, there's two number 15s. There's one here. And there's one at the bottom you need to remove. I'm going to take that off now. Alright, so once you remove your caliper and your old brake pads, you just want to compress your piston. Alright, our new brake pads are installed. We put back in our two number 15s. One there, one there. Same process on the other side. Put your wheel back on. Come up to the front driver's side. Cover back your reservoir. Put your cap back on. Pump your brakes before you move off. And that's the Charger RT rear brake pad replacement. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, hit that like button. See you next time.